So hello, this is a little video to help you in playing your paradiddles, your double paradiddles and your paradiddle diddles on the drum kit. So I've set up some pads here. Most of you have a 5-piece drum kit, sorry, so that's the bass drum, the pads that are there, and an extra tom here. So you have bass drum with the foot, snare drum, small tom, middle tom and the large tom, or the high, middle or low tom. So all the accents just go to the toms. So if you're playing a paradiddle, it's right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. And the first of every 4 notes is an accent. That's the pa of the paradiddle. Paradiddle. So if we play that around the kit, we put the accents on the toms. The right hand would go there, left hand goes forward. Right hand to the right, left hand forward. Paradiddle, paradiddle. All the double strokes are on the snare drum. Paradiddle, 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 diddle, paradiddle, 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 and so on. I'll slow it down. Paradiddle, paradiddle. Notice we're not using the middle tom. That's my middle tom for today. Sorry, I'll put it in shot. So you don't need to hit that one for the moment. The double paradiddle will be the same. So basically you end up hitting each tom twice before you move the hand, or whichever hand, back to the snare drum to play the double stroke. So you have this with the double paradiddles. And the notes on the toms are accents. So play them strong and full, and all the notes on the snare drum are light and soft. Double paradiddle, double paradiddle, double paradiddle, paradiddle, double paradiddle, double paradiddle, and so on. Snare drum, small tom, middle tom, floor tom, or high, middle or low tom, however you want to think of it. The paradiddle diddles work the same, but there's only one hand playing an accent. So if you play a right hand paradiddle diddle, you just end up moving the right hand to here. So the accents on there, the other 5 notes are here. Paradiddle diddle, paradiddle diddle. So it's 2 single strokes, 2 double strokes. Para, diddle diddle. All the double strokes are on here. Paradiddle diddle. And this is the right hand leading paradiddle diddle. Paradiddle diddle, paradiddle, with an extra diddle. Paradiddle diddle. The right hand's going to the floor tom. With the left hand leading paradiddle diddle, the left hand goes forward to the small tom. Right, 2 single strokes, para, double strokes on the snare drum. Paradiddle diddle, paradiddle diddle, paradiddle diddle, paradiddle, and so on. So if you combine